This video is about using benchmarks to order fractions. The first thing that you need to think about is what is a benchmark. And a benchmark is something that you keep in your mind to judge whether other numbers might be bigger or smaller than that point. So on a simple number line from 0 to 1, everyone knows that the middle of the number line is 1/2. If we were talking about decimals, we'd call it 5/10, but since our problem is about fractions, we'll think of a half. The other points you might keep in mind are 3/4 and 1/4. All right, so we need to draw a line now to look at our problems. And our numbers are 15/10, which is more than 1. It's an improper fraction. And 11/5 is actually more than 2. So I'm going to draw a number line from 0 to 3. Your number line doesn't have to be perfect, but try to have the different sections of the number line equally spaced. So if this is 0 and this is 1, I'm going to want to go the same amount of space for 2 and the same amount of space for 3, and I'll just erase the leftovers in the end. Okay, our first number is 7/4. And 7/4 is the same as 4/4 plus 3/4, so it's 1 and 3/4. It's bigger than 1, smaller than 2, and I need to find where fourths fall in this section. So this is 1 1/2, and this is 1 3/4. Okay, and so 7/4 I will write on my number line. This number is done. 15/10. That's the same as 10/10 plus 5 more tenths, so it's 1 and 5/10, which is the same as 1 and 1/2. So 15/10 is right here. This number's done. 11/5. 11/5, you have to divide 5 into 11, and that goes twice, and then there's 1/5 left over. So that's going to be 2 and 1/5. Here's 2, here's 3. We know it's a bit over 2, and if I want to be precise, I could divide this into 5 parts. It's not perfect. Oops, that's 2/5. I actually want 2 and 1/5, or 11/5, and that one's done. And finally, we have 2. 2 is right on our number line already, so we're writing 2. So in order, from least to greatest, we have 15/10, 7/4, 2 and 11 fifths.